Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make beadable pens at home. So this is what you're going to be needing. These refillable pens. I got this from Timo. I think you might find it on Amazon as well, but I'm not too sure. And I have some flower charms or beads, if you want to call it, and those ones are silicone. And I have this wood round beads as well as the silicone small round beads. And I'll be using some rings to kind of secure some of the beads I'll be using and the charms. And I have here different types of refillable pens. I have the gray, the black, the pink, and this animal print one. So right now I'm going to be showing you how you can take these pens apart. You just have to unscrew the top and you can take out the ink that is in there, the refillable ink. You can get those as well online. They just come separately where you can refill your pen whenever you run out. So this is how it looks like. This is a 1 mm black ink pen, and you can actually unscrew it at the top or at the bottom. So you have two ways through which you can put in your beads. Either you can put it at the top, as you can see right now, or you can unscrew the bottom part of it, as I will show you pretty soon. Unscrew the bottom part right there, and you can fit in the beads as well through this direction. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and let's proceed to making a beadable pen. I hope you really enjoy. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try this at home, or if you have one at home, let me know. How do you like it? Do you like the designs, or you want to purchase more? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So right now you have so many options through which you can design your pen. So I'm just randomly picking some beads and some rings and using and just putting them together. What you want to make sure is that the beads fit the pen. That way you don't have any space and the beads are not just moving around. So right now, as you can see, I'm just, again, as I said, picking random styles in my head, like anything that's coming up. That's just what I'm doing, and we're going to see how it looks like. Keep watching. Feel me. So one thing I would like you to know is you don't need to take the pen out, like take all the parts apart before fitting in the beads or the charms. I just wanted to show you what was inside and how the ink looks like, and that is why I took it apart earlier. So yeah, this is how the pen turned out, and I'll show you how you can put in the bit through the other end somewhere ahead. So continue watching, and please, if you've reached this point, like, share, comment and subscribe, and let me know in the comment what you think and any video suggestions you might have. Thank you so much. Feel me. So right now I'll be showing you how I will be putting the beads from the other end of the pen. So as you can see, I'm just screwing that other part down and I'll be taking the top part out. So we're going to be putting our beads through this side. As you can see, you don't need to take out the ink or unscrew the top of it. Just leave it as it is or as it comes in the pack. All you want to do is just take off the cap at the top and then put in whatever beads you want. So you can really get creative with this. This is a great idea for your kids at home or for yourself. It's really easy to do. It take you less than 10 minutes to achieve this. So just go out there, buy a kit and just be creative. Just come out with some styles and design and you will love it. You'll love it. So yeah, that's what I'm basically doing here. I don't really have any style in mind. I'm just putting the beads together and hoping they will fit. But you'll see at some point that the beads I used, some of it was a little bit bigger and it could not fit all the beads in it, and another one the beads were so small. Like right now, as you can see, I'm trying to put in this bead that has the design of a foot, like a dog foot dog print kind of footprint. So that is what I'm doing right now. As you can see, as I'm scrolling it, you still have a little bit of space and the bead is moving. You see right there, it's tied already, but the bead is still moving. It's still loose. So at this point, you want to make sure you can either decide to change the bead you're using, or you can do what I did, like include like an extra ring to it just to make it tight enough for it to stay in place. So yeah, that's what I was doing right here. What I did was just to put in an extra bead instead of two, extra ring instead of two. I put in three and then I put in the bead and it was able to fit perfectly. So yeah, just play around with it. If it's too tight for the screw to be on it, just take it out and replace it with another. If it's too loose, just include an extra bead or a ring to it and you'll make it tight. So this is what it looks like. I hope you really enjoy this process with me. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Are you going to be trying this at home? I will encourage you to do that, especially with your kids, because I was doing this and my daughter was sitting somewhere at the back just working on it and she was really happy doing it. So this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my other videos, and if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section and I will see you in my next one.